Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about one of the most powerful articles of Indian Constitution, that is Article 32. Imagine your fundamental rights are violated. Who will protect you? The answer is Article 32 of the Indian Constitution. It gives every citizen the right to directly approach the Supreme Court for the protection of fundamental rights. Dr.b.r.ambedkar called Article 32 the heart and soul of the Constitution because rights have little value if there is no effective way to enforce them. What is Article 32? Article 32 is called the right to constitutional remedies. If any fundamental rights under Part 3 of the Constitution is violated, a person can directly approach the Supreme Court. This makes Article 32 unique because it is itself a fundamental right. The Supreme Court has the authority to protect citizens by issuing a special legal orders called writs. A writ is a formal written legal order issued by a court or judge. Total there are 5 writs. Number 1, Habeas Corpus, meaning produce the body. If someone is illegally arrested or detained, the court orders that person to be brought before it. If the detention is unlawful, the court orders their release. Example, a person is kept in custody without legal authority. Number 2, Mandamus, meaning we command. The court orders a public authority or government official to perform a legal duty that they have failed to perform. Example, a government office refuses to issue a document despite being legally required to do so. Number 3, Prohibition, meaning to stop. A higher court, Supreme Court or High Court, orders a lower court or tribunal to stop hearing a case because it is acting beyond its legal powers. Example, a consumer court starts hearing a criminal murder case. Since it has no authority to hear criminal cases, the Supreme Court can issue a writ of prohibition to stop the proceedings. Number 4, Certiorari, meaning to be informed or to certify. A higher court reviews the decision of a lower court or tribunal and cancels it if the lower court acted without a legal authority or violated the law. Example, a tribunal passes an order in a case that it had no legal authority to decide. The High Court or Supreme Court can issue a writ of certiorari and cancel that order. Number 5, Quo Warranto, meaning by what authority. The court asks a person holding a public office to prove that they are legally qualified to hold that position. Example, if someone becomes the Vice Chancellor of a university without meeting the required qualifications, the court can issue a writ of Quo Warranto asking by what authority are you holding this office. So these are the 5 writs, easily to remember, super easy formula for students. Why Article 32 is important? Number 1, it protects fundamental rights. Number 2, it gives citizens direct access to the Supreme Court. Number 3, strengthens the rule of law. Number 4, ensures the government follows the Constitution. Number 5, makes fundamental rights meaningful because courts can enforce them. So, Article 32 is one of the strongest safeguards in the Indian Constitution. It empowers every citizen to seek justice when fundamental rights are violated. That is why Dr.b.r. Ambedkar called it the heart and soul of the Constitution. Finally, I would like to say that every citizen should know your rights, read the Constitution, build a stronger India.